Assalamualaikum, madam. My name is Muhammad Haris Saika bin Muhammad Daham, and before we started, I would like to introduce to our team members first. First one, we have Muhammad Shazri bin Zahri. Next one is Muhammad Farid Amirul bin Muhammad Taib. Then we got Hilman Shazwan bin Suratman, and finally Adam bin Muhammad Rosni.
Next, smart practices for you. The smart practice exercise is a personalized pronunciation exercises based on the user's native language and progress. For the first time when user launches the Speakometer app, it will ask the user about his or her mother tongue. This information is then used to come up with personalized exercises to overcome specific weaknesses which exist within certain languages. For instance, we have Malay as our mother tongue, so the exercises which exist within this practice will be specific to target the sound which hinder Malay speakers to speak and pronounce the words in English properly. There are several exercises here. The E versus E, the long E versus the short E language sound, the versus O versus O, T versus Ch, T versus Th, and so on, so that the accent, the Malay accent, which doesn't include these specific sounds, could be taught to users. I shall be demonstrating some of these exercises for you. Let's say the th and s sound.
Thumb.
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 Some.
Some.
Some. Some. Here, the app teaches me to differentiate between th and s. So, let's give you another example. We have ch versus j. March.
Marge.
Marge. Marge. So again, here the app teaches the student or the user to pronounce and differentiate different sounds which doesn't exist within their mother tongue properly. That should be all for the smart practice.
So right now, I'm going to explain a little bit about thematic word sets. There are a lot of themes that user can choose from. For example, some themes which are available under this exercise are food and drinks, daily routine, and shopping. For example, I choose a daily routine mode for my practice.
Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Breakfast. Book.
Book.
Book. Dream.
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 So that's all for thematic word set.
Top 3,333 power words of English. This part introduces and trains user to use 95% English words that use in daily basis. Here, the app have 7 levels. It starts from level 1, which is the core basic, level 2, beginner, level 3, apprentice, level 4, explorer, level 5, communicator, level 6, skilled, level 7, master. Total words combined from each level is 3,333 words. So that's why it's called top 3,333 power words of English. So here I will choose level 6, which is skill. So let's dive through it.
Assistance.
Assistance.
Assistance. Substance.
Substance.
Substance. Charm.
Charm. Charm.
Valley.
valley,
Valley. Nowadays.
nowadays, nowadays. Okay, that's from level 6. And now let's dive to level 7, which is master.
Patch.
Patch, patch,
Mere.
mere, mere,
Fiction.
fiction, fiction,
Whom.
whom, whom,
Twist.
twist, twist. Okay, so that's from level 7. For the sound contrast practice, it helps user to compare similar sound and help user to differentiate the similar sound. First, we have long versus short vowels.
Pool.
Pool, pool,
Pull.
pool, pool.
Hat.
Hat, hat,
Hurt.
hurt, hurt. Okay, this part help user to differentiate between words that use short vowels and long vowels. So the last one we have voiced versus voiceless consonant.
Rush.
Rush, rush,
Rouge.
rouge, rouge,
Slight.
slight, slight,
Slide.
slide, slide. Okay, this part help user to differentiate between words that use voiced consonant and voiceless consonant.
Next, I will explain about the function of the word ending practice in the Speakometer app. This exercise aims to help the learner to pronounce the ending of words properly. This exercise contains 3 topics which focus on different endings of words, such as consonants, the ed, and s. The consonant ending words help the learner to enunciate the word that end with consonants in a better manner.
Done. Done.
Dawn, dawn,
Said.
said, said,
Mood.
Other than that, the ed ending words that help to pronounce the word that end with ed in a better way. For example,
Laced.
lace, lace,
Sunned.
sun, sun. And lastly, the s ending words that allow the learner to learn how to pronounce the s properly. For example,
Bees.
bees, bees,
These.
these, these. That's all for the word ending practice.
After that, I'm going to explain a little bit about challenging words. There are 3 types of practice which are commonly pronounced words, irregular verbs, and also silent R. First mode is commonly mispronounced words. This mode actually helps user to fix their pronunciation on the words that are commonly mispronounced. For example,
Schedule.
schedule, schedule,
squirrel,
squirrel,
Squirrel.
picture,
picture,
Picture.
Second mode is irregular verbs. Irregular verbs are verbs that do not follow the regular ed pattern in the past tense. Instead, their forms change in different ways, such as go, went, or eat, ate. Another example is
understand,
understand,
Understand.
understood,
understood,
Understood.
understood,
understood,
Understood.
So these apps try to help user gain their knowledge about irregular verbs and pronunciation. So the last mode is about silent R. I'm going to show a few examples for this mode.
hard,
Hard, hard,
track,
track,
Track.
horn,
horn,
Horn.
bruise,
bruise,
Bruise.
So the silent R exercise help user to determine when R in words are supposed to be silent or pronounced.
This app also includes a phonetic mode designed to help users learn accurate English pronunciation using the International Phonetic Alphabet (IPA). In this mode, sounds are systematically organized into vowel and consonants, making pronunciation easier to understand and practice. For consonants, the app classifies sound into voice, voiceless, and other consonants, helping users identify where the vocal cord vibration is involved when producing each sound. For vowel, sounds are divided into short vowels, long vowels, and diphthong, allowing users to distinguish vowel length and sound transition. If users are unsure how to pronounce a sound or word, they can simply tap on the phonetic symbol and the app will play the correct pronunciation, like this.
e, a, o, a.
This interactive audio feature enables user to listen, repeat, and practice independently. Example words are also provided to demonstrate how each word is used in real context.
Hunger. After every test that you've done, the app will provide an overall evaluation of your performance in a percentage. So here, I have gotten 98% due to my excellent performance throughout this whole exercise.